Going everyone, it's Eryan with Siegfried's Motorwerx. Here today we're bringing you another walk around video on our newest unit we have in stock. This is a 2008 Yamaha Zuma 50cc two-stroke. This one is super clean, ultra low miles, just over 400 miles on this one. It does also have a little bit of aftermarket stuff done to it, all stuff that's going to help increase performance and not affect reliability. We're going to start at the back on this one. Coming around the back here, it does still have the factory mud guard on. Highly recommend doing that. Just doesn't do a lot for the scooter when you pull these off. Little NCY pipe here. This is a really nice pipe. Typically when we're running pipes here, we're running Leo vents or an Arrow exhaust. This NCY, I'm really impressed with it. I'm probably actually going to start running these instead. Just I like this pipe that much. Looking at the scooter on this side, this one does have the black grab bar from factory. This would have been originally had red flames on it. They just pulled the stickers off. We do the same thing here. I really like that. As far as this panel goes, no damage. Looking at the seat here, it's nice and free of any kind of defect. Looking at the floorboard on this side, no damage. This is just dirt there. No damage on the floorboard or the leg shield. That's all in real nice shape. Looking at the controls, still has the factory grips on it. And again, 447 miles. Master cylinder here, no defects. Typically we see these start to corrode. Mirror stems are also in nice shape. That's one of the signs on a Zuma, you can tell it's well maintained. Mirror stems and also the cover here. Coming around the front, everything's in real nice shape. A couple of small scratches across here. This is real common. It's pretty rare we see a Zuma that doesn't have scratches there. Looking at the front of the Speedo cowl, good shape. And you can really see in this angle the metallic in this paint. It's a really pretty paint color. Coming over to this side here, there is a small scuff on the leg shield here. But other than that, also too, I guess back here. Other than that, this thing's real nice. It does have a Bazzetti added on Jiffy stand. That's a great feature to have on a Zuma. These things only come from the factory with the center stand, so this is an aftermarket add-on, but highly recommend doing that to any of your Zumas. Coming around this side here, the CVT cover's in real nice shape. This just looks like it's some wax that was left over. No big deal there. This side, there is one small little scratch. Right, you can't even see it on the camera. Oh, there it is. One small little scratch on this side. I mean, look, this is a black thing, and look at the mirror finish of this beautiful condition Zuma. Again, 447 miles. Underneath the seat here, the factory EGR is in there, as well as the jets from Polini. This probably was jetted to run correctly with the pipe. Overall, beautiful condition. Both front and rear tires are great. I know for a fact this one does have an Athena CVT kit with the Dr. Pulley sliders. That is something that we installed on this one. So lots of good little upgrades here. I'm going to hand the camera off here to Kyle real quick so you can hear how this one sounds with this NCY pipe. One nice thing with the Zumas too, they are electric and kick start. We'll show the electric start first. Kickstart. Kyle, you just want to come around here quick. All right, we're just going to show you the kickstart here too. Again, these are electric and kickstart. This is how easy it is to kickstart a 50cc two-stroke Zuma. That's it. The nice thing with this is if you're ever anywhere, your battery's dead and your electric start doesn't work, you always have that kickstart as an option. Anyone watching this that owns a Zuma or is looking to buy a Zuma, if you're physically able, always kick it. It keeps your battery alive a lot longer, makes the scooter a lot healthier. But at any rate, thank you so much for watching. If you can, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, stay up to date with everything going on here at Siegfried's Motorwerx. And if you're interested in this ultra low mile, beautiful Zuma, it is on our website, smwx717.com.